NP Author Professional does everything that NP Author does, such as registry, WMI, script, class, and discovery creation, performance and event rules, event performance script service database website monitors, and to that adds much, much more. For example, now you can browse to an SNMP device, load in the corresponding MIBs describing that SNMP device, and from that work through and build a complete management pack as shown in this simple scenario. So launch the Create New SNMP Target wizard. Make sure that the SNMP device you've defined is selected. Then you can browse the variables defined by the SNMP device via the OIDs. Select the sysmodel property to identify the SonicWall TZ215 router in this case. That's the one I want to discover. Decide that you want to define some properties for the device, and in this case I select variables defining the firmware and ROM versions as properties for the device. Click Next to complete the class definition. Ensure that the class properties are defined correctly. Then define the name and display name for the new class. Define the base class for the new target class. I'll use the existing router class. Identify the name and display name for the discovery to be created. Specify the target class for your discovery. You can edit the expression if required to discover your device. In our case, this one's fine. Specify the schedule to run your discovery at. Once a day is good for us. Click on Finish and your target class and discovery will be created for you in the management pack in under a minute if you're fast enough to keep out. Check out the new target class and new discovery that were created. So now that we've defined our TZ215 router, let's do something useful with it. Let's generate an alert when an attack is detected by the router. So we launch the Create New SNMP Trap Event Alert Rule wizard. We make sure that we've selected the SNMP device we're working with. You can then browse the traps defined within the device and select the attack trap, which recognizes and generates a trap when an attack has been found. Click Next to complete the definition. Specify the configuration for the rule, including any events generated by it. Select the target class for your rule. You can define an optional expression to filter some of the traps out. We don't need to do it for this event. We identify our event rule. We define an optional alert for our rule, which we want in this case. And we click on Finish to define our rule and the associated alert information. And you can see that our rule was successfully created. Pretty easy, eh? There are lots of other features. For example, you can create a new group for all of the computers in your lab domain. You can create a new class. You can create a process monitor to verify that your health service is running. You can download a free copy of NP Author, and if you like what you see, you can upgrade it to NP Author Professional to get access to all of the extra features. Thank you for watching.